Hi, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is our We Drive video of our 1965 Ford Mustang 2+2 Fastback. This is a wee bit of a resto mod, as you can tell underneath the hood. That is not a 289, that is a 347 stroker V8. It's got FiTech fuel injection, or FiTech. Tremec 5-speed manual, 8-inch rear in the back, 355 gears. This paint is unbelievable. I mean, I could see my reflection in it, and boy, I'm getting old. But this car looks like brand new. I love the fresh paint job. 16-inch torque thrust style wheels, roller rockers, aluminum heads, MSD ignition, Scat crank, tri-Y headers, H-pipe, Flowmaster mufflers, and coil-over system with power steering. This car's got everything that you wanted.
And also, it's got an automatic trunk popper by the driver's seat.
Stop it.
And the trunk is nice too. It's got a nice carpet in there.
You're joking.
Nope.
I should pop this thing. You're saying it's right here by the driver's seat?
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness, it does. Oh, okay, that's really cool.
And you head on back here and you got your trunk.
Oh, wow, it is. This is beautiful.
Nice black carpet.
Full resto mod.
Good stuff back here.
Really like this car. Love the bumpers. I mean, they're perfect. Boy, this car is great. Let's take it for a spin, Jake.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Should probably give you the keys.
Maybe.
Would help you start the car.
It would help start the car.
There you go.
Oh.
And there's only one key, so you can't get confused as to which one turns it on. Oh, it sounds good.
Oh my gosh. Sounds like a symphony. It's pretty.
It's a good looking car. Like you said, that paint's like a mirror.
It's beautiful.
The black is nice.
It is.
And the 5-speed, that's an upgrade.
Listen
and the
to it.
347 stroker, obviously that's an upgrade.
That was not an original car.
Hey,
on,
take it easy, man.
Take it easy. It's got what I like to call beans.
It's got a lot of beans, so you got to be careful. Blinker work?
Yes, the blinker works. It's funny. It's got one turn signal light.
Looks
both
like
ways.
we have a newer stereo. I also like how they painted the dash. It's painted the same color as the rear, like centerpiece by the gas cap on the trunk.
Oh, did they? He did. Oh, I like that. What a
So
great
it's all
thing.
kind of matched. And it's a more modern look, which I like.
Beautiful. They've done this well. I don't know who had it.
The dash is really nice. Like I said, it's painted. You got some cool gauges down there that look factory. Keep that old school look.
Sorry. It's fun.
It's pretty quick.
I like it a lot.
It's pretty quick.
I like. Oh, it's super straight.
Yeah, that. Were you braking?
Just see if it would move. The Saturn behind it.
No, it was
just
so
right on my
straight. I
foot.
didn't even.
Yeah,
I felt it slowing down, but I thought you just let off the gas.
Just a
that
little.
brake's really straight.
Boy,
and
it's
I
a
love
nice car.
all the chrome knobs and the handles and everything with the black. Chrome and black look great together.
And a wooden steering wheel just says hi.
And it's
we knew what we were doing.
It's absolutely timeless. It's never going to go out of style. Your FiTech little unit here.
Oh, so you can turn it up or down. Nice.
I think it's probably just a monitor, maybe, but it's nicely hidden over here under the passenger seat, so you don't have to look at it all the time. And like I said, a newer looking radio that's digital, so that's going to be a nice
I'm guessing it's a
upgrade for this.
Bluetooth, what have you.
And then you have a cool RPM gauge over here, attack in front of the gauge cluster. I like that a lot.
I like everything about this vehicle.
It's a nice car. Good sound.
Oh
really good sound.
It shifts like butter. Oh, 35. I always forget that.
Yeah, this road's not very fast. Coming up to our stop sign.
Oh, I guess we'll have to stop.
We do like the stop sign. It's got beans.
It's got plenty of beans.
If only there wasn't a dump truck in front of us, we'd be able to give it some more beans, but
you know what? I'm still within the speed limit parameters.
it looks like they're doing driver training again.
Yes. Well, they need to learn how to do it right.
CDL training or something.
But yeah, I think I want to get out of the way of the dump trucks. Ooh, how about right here?
There's the beans.
I made up for the other one.
Oh, the brakes work nice.
The trees look okay.
You know what time it is now?
Oh, I do. It is a good old-fashioned
It is a good old-fashioned startup. My favorite part.
That is. It's
Let's
the best
do it.
part. All righty. This car wants to go fast. It does not want to go slow, and it does not want to cruise.
It has a mean look to it too when you're driving fast.
It is just nothing but really cool Ford Mustang. I really love this car. You must drive it back, Jake.
I will.
You must.